Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone listed before launch and expected prices and specification. So today we'll discuss about Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone, its price and specification. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get the notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on these topics. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone price and specification. USN Mix report. Huawei Nova 6 5G listed on website before launch. 4 cameras will be found in the back panel. So this is the 4 camera is available in this phone, and 4 camera will available found in the back panel of this phone. China smartphone maker Huawei is going to launch this Nova 6 5G Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone on the global level on December 5. So within very few days we will get this smartphone Huawei Nova 6 5G. And the company had earlier launched several 5G devices in the market, in which people got strong cameras and batteries. Recently, the Huawei Nova 6 5G has been spotted on the Burmal website of this Chinese website with 4 color photos, 4 color options, and 8 GB RAM. It is expected that the company will offer 6.57-inch IPS LCD display on this device like the Honor V30. So it is look like similar like Honor V30 smartphone. Let's know about the possible specification and price of Huawei Nova 6 5G, this smartphone. Expected price of Huawei Nova 6 5G. Huawei Nova 6 5G has been spotted on Chinese site vmall.com with a price tag of 9,999 Chinese yuan. So in Chinese price, in Chinese currency, its price as 9,999 Chinese yuan, around 1 lakh rupees in Indian money. And at this moment, the company has not shared much information about this device according to the sources, according to the website. This phone will not be launched in the Indian market because 5G network is not available here. So in Indian market it is not available Huawei Nova 6 5G. It is only in Chinese market. It will be appeared on Chinese market on 5th December. And 5G network is not available in India, so it is not launched in Indian market. Huawei Nova 6 5G potential specification. According to the market report, the company will give a 6.57-inch IPS LCD display in this phone. Along with this, users will get support of 8 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage, and 8 GB RAM 256 internal storage. So two variants are available. One is 8 GB RAM and another is one is 8 GB RAM with 128 GB internal storage, and another is 8 GB RAM with 256 GB internal storage, including octa-core Silicon Kirin processor for better performance. At the same time, the phone can work on Android 10. So this phone is work on Android 10 operating system. And Huawei Nova 6 5G camera. Users can get quad camera setup, 4 cameras in the phone, which will have 60 megapixel Sony IMX 686 sensor, 16 megapixel sensor, and 2 by 2 megapixel lens, 2.2 megapixel lens. On the other hand, the company will provide 32 megapixel and 12 megapixel selfie camera in the front of this phone. So in this front camera is 12 megapixel selfie camera is in the front of this phone. 32 megapixel and two front camera is available. 32 megapixel and 12 megapixel selfie camera is in the front of this phone. And this phone is in the rear camera is 60 megapixel Sony IMX 686 sensor for better photography, and 16 megapixel sensor and 2 by 2 megapixel lens. So for picture quality is super in this phone, Samsung Nova 6 5G smartphone. And this smartphone's battery, according to the media report, the forward phone Huawei Nova phone, this phone will have 4000 megahertz battery in 5G, which will be equipped with 40-watt fast charging feature. So this charger, a 40-watt charging feature, 40-watt fast charging feature is available with this 4000 megahertz battery. So battery is 4000 megahertz battery, and this charger is 40-watt fast charging feature, and camera is 60 megapixel Sony megapixel with IMX 686 sensor for better photography. And this is the camera feature. Rear camera is 16 megapixel and 2.2 megapixel lens. So this is the 4 cameras are there in the front rear camera, and the front camera is 32 megapixel and 12 megapixel for selfie camera from the front side of this phone. Okay, and the two variant is 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and another is 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. So these two variants are available with this phone, and expected price is approx 1 lakh in Indian money, and in Chinese in 9,999 Chinese yuan. In Chinese currency, its price is 9,999 Chinese yuan. So that's it about the report of Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone, price and specification, which is listed before it is launched, and it is according to the Chinese website. It is known that Chinese this is expected price and specification of this Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone. And that's it about today's topics. And after watching this video, now you can know about the information about Huawei Nova 6 5G smartphone, price and expected specification. And thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share and subscribe of our Usn Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, you can make comments in the comment section on this video of Usn Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.